3 months ago. God damn, I'm late. Either way, let's check it out. I'm interested in DIMO Rex. I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan right now. I love this. Well, that's hard to say. I just need to discover more of his discography before I'm a fan. But right now, I'm loving it. No McDonald's. But DIMO Rex slide official visualizer. This is no captions, right? Oh, it's a short one. What the hell? Maple fever?
Don't let you beat me. This time you're gonna two-face me.
Damn.
Never got the feelings, girl, it might be easy. 집중할게 더 올려놔. 칠칠맞게 더 올려놔. Yeah, we gon' ride like this shit gon' like. Ooh, ooh. Ride and repeat like. Ooh.
Damn.
Mommy just spread out. Only 'cause you want me, I don't know.
Got me listening, bro.
조금 더 wow. Yeah. Don't let nobody feel what I feel.
Ooh.
Dash, don't let nobody see what I see.
Talk to him.
내가 보고 있는 걸 넌 보고 있네. 넌 맞춰줘야 좀 my feet. Head spinning, body rocking.
Ooh.
Back shot.
Hey, what?
You gon' like it.
What?
Head spinning.
I know you're not talking to me.
Ain't gon' stop it.
Ain't gonna stop who?
Clap.
Clap it.
Clap it right. It's so messed up. 지엽다.
DIMO Rex the truth.
Keep the lights down low. 이건 중독. 정리해야 해. About to blow up.
Okay.
알다시피 I keep it on the low. Don't let you beat me. This time you're gonna two-face me. Never got the feelings, girl, it might be easy. 집중할게 더 올려. 칠칠맞게 더 올려.
Hey.
We gon' ride like this shit gon' like.
Ooh.
Ride and repeat like. You've been dripping, mommy, just spread out. Only 'cause you want me, I don't know, no. 조금 더 wow. Yeah.
Woo. Hey, I love the pauses on the beat too. That's on him too, no? Hey. He's having fun with it. That's real talk. Dang. Y'all been gatekeeping this from me, man. This shit fire though. I would gatekeep it too. Nah. We gotta spread the word, man. Spread the music. Sheesh. DIMO Rex for real though.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.